For those that have been asking me, how do you create images using Nano Banana or Gemini AI? Or for those that don't know anything about Gemini AI or Nano Banana, this video is for you. Stick to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to create your own prompts for these images without asking anybody for prompts. Let's dive into the video. Head over to your browser and type Google Gemini. You can use Nano Banana. You can either download it or use your browser. For me, I'm using the browser. So it has opened. I'm going to pick an image. You can upload 2 or 3 images. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use one image of myself. So I'm going to pick this image. Then I'll paste this prompt. Okay, so you can go through the prompt. If you want to change anything like the color of the dress or the hair, you can do that. But for me, I'm not going to change anything, so I'm just going to use the prompt like that. So it's going to generate the image. Like I said before, you can either download Nano Banana or Gemini AI as an app. Like you can download it on your phone or you use the browser. For me, I prefer to use the browser because I don't want too many apps on my phone. Now look at the goodness that it just created. Isn't this beautiful? So if you don't like this one, you can click on the 3 dots there, then click on redo. Then it will generate another one for you. So you can keep doing this till you get the perfect one. It's going to generate the second one. We'll just hold on for it to come up. So here's the second one. Beautiful. So you can keep doing this, you know. If you don't like it, you keep generating till you get the one that you like. So that's it. So I'm going to teach you how to create prompts. So head over to ChatGPT. Then upload the image that you want to get prompts for so that you can recreate on Nano Banana. So any image you see, just screenshot the image, take it to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will create the prompt for you to recreate on Nano Banana. So I'm just going to pick this image. So yes, I'll type create image prompt for this image. I want to recreate it with my face on Nano Banana. And click on send. So it's going to generate image prompt for you. You don't need to ask anybody for prompts. So you just create your prompt and generate the image. So here is the image. So I'm going to copy it. Just copy it, head over to Gemini AI and repeat that first process that we just did. So I'm going to copy it now. Okay, that's it. So now I'm going to repeat the process. So I'll just head over to Gemini AI. So I've already pasted the image and this is the prompt that I got from ChatGPT. So go through it. If there's anything you want to change, you change it. So now I'm just going to wait for it to generate the image for the prompt that we just got from ChatGPT. So it's almost done. Here is it. You can see. So if you don't like it, like I said before, you just redo. So I'm going to redo it and see what it will create.